Omurukiko rukimanyirwa ko ekitongore kya Uganda Wildlife Authority kyatireho ensharo oba abajubi bakasigara mu itaka erinzirwe.
The problem we have here is that our place was made to be a sanctuary in the early years, but this thing was made out of ignorance of the people that lived in this place.
Abataka bale banyakulu sazo mba kuoleka ngo mama ni basibe sazo nukuba tukora mistake abawuwa ne bakora ki mba batwara so tutakakozere bingi Museveni kyatukolire beitu atuyambe akusinzira abawuwa kutuyitaka.
Sengoba Abdara orkansara wa Kahendero parish nashaba government okwisha kubirukanjira ahabo kubwa hati tachurihitaka yo kuturamu.
So I'm calling upon high offices, the president, prime minister, and other people who can help us, because here we don't have a voice. We don't have people that can represent us, that can make our voice to reach the big offices.
Ubu bari kugarukamo abantu abakutura hanyanja ya George uriyo muhabuzi wa president Miss Christine Muhindo yaraganisa kutekayo kushaba kwabo.
And I promised them that I will take the information to the relevant officers. I'll meet who we can also explain to His Excellency the President what is taking place, so that people understand exactly what is going on.
Ogu yasima UPDF Fishing Protection Unit hanyanja ya George habo kushomesa abajubi okurinda enyanja.
I'm only happy with the UPDF, the work that they are doing. They have trained as fishermen. Actually, the lake is being used properly. Before the UPDF came in, things were not good. But now you can see good fish, big fish.
Sergeant Moses Kambeho, Commander wa Fishing Protection Unit hanyanja ya George na Edward, ashoborire kwa abantu bazirizeho kwegenja banungi.
We try to fight the illegal fishing. Reduce, you cannot finish it, you just reduce and minimize them. That's why now we are getting this catfish. Now it is weighing the kilos of 25 kilos. So we tried, like this is from around inside Kahendero, which has been using the illegal fishing nets like monofilaments and other illegal fishing with small boats. But now they have adapted it to the Rio recommended nets.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Arnaito Godwin Bwambare abwatari West Agenshonga